Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we will be playing short creepy stories. And then we pray that we won't die today. That's all. Okay, let's go. Unlock mouse. Search the house and steal $30,000. How are we gonna steal 30,000? Ano yan?
Makita pa nga.
Hi
Makita
girl!
ko.
Ang ganda-ganda mo today, girl.
Ha?
Bro, why is my sensitivity
Saan tayo?
so low? Hi girl! Hi girl, ang ganda.
Wow!
Wow, slay.
Yeah.
Slay.
Oh, galing po.
Girl is so slay. Okay, guys. Let's go.
Wait, nalalag yung alt account ko. Tingnan mo siya, oh. Tingnan mo siya.
What the
Tingnan mo yung alt account.
Why
Help.
is there... Oh my goodness. Someone's head
Tingnan
fell
mo
off.
yung alt account ko.
Someone's head fell off. Yeah. But why are we so ginormous? What the heck? Okay, let's go. Wow.
Dito magbabantay yung player ko.
Wow. What the heck?
Bye-bye.
Oh, what, bro? What are these? Bro, is this woman even? Oh, whoa, 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 take.
Ah, bakit?
Bro, I took something from the doll and started staring into my face. Bro, yo, what is the doll looking at? What the heck?
Ah, bakit?
Bro, don't let him doll.
Huh?
Bro, the doll is gone. I'm going crazy. She's coming for me. She's in these mannequins. Okay.
Ito. Saan?
Oh my goodness, guys, I'm daming coins. Today we will become rich. We're so rich, guys. I have
Ah, mag-steal tayo pala. Mag-steal tayo.
We're gonna steal. This is, guys, don't copy what we're doing because this is very bad. Yeah. We're only doing duo, but there's supposed to be 5 of us, but the other one's gonna do. Who the heck is that? Ubi, saan ka? Saan ka ako?
Nandiyan yung alt account ko. Grabe naman ako kagad. Dito tayo. Eh, wala.
Sa'yo.
Ba't sarado?
Sarado. Can we steal this game? This looks so cute.
Steal mo lahat. Kasi mananakaw tayo dito.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, but guys, don't copy what we're doing because what we're doing is very bad.
Yan, dami pera. Dami pera. Dami
Oh,
pera.
wow, yeah, but we're gonna be rich, guys.
Dami pera.
Today we're gonna be rich, but oh, take us that tip. Okay, guys, we're so rich. We have $11,000. Guys, let's explore the city. Let's explore the
Kaya dyan, alt account ko. So scary.
This movie sucks.
Ito, pera.
Oh my goodness.
Yan.
Oh, ano to? Oh,
Yan,
okay. Ano yan? Ano yan? Natanggal yung... Sino yan? Ubi,
Ah,
sino
sino?
yan?
Yan, ano yan? Di naman ito.
Wow, si Girlie. Ang sili niya talaga.
Hmm.
Ang sili ni Girlie.
Sarado.
Ha?
Bye-bye.
Hindi ko po alam pero nag-expose ko siya.
Hoy, bilisan mo. Sarado dito. Ah,
Oh, yung mukha
ah,
ko.
saan pa? Saan pa?
Saan napunta yung old account ko?
Ha?
Saan napunta
Hindi ko alam.
account ko?
Nawala
Wala
siya.
live.
Dito tayo.
May gulay.
Dito tayo.
Sige.
Dito naman tayo. Naka tayo.
Bro, what happened to these dogs? They're having seizures.
Uy, tina.
Guys, we have $19,000. How rich
Yeah.
Okay, may note dito.
Uy, nakatin nila ako.
Don't turn your back. Ano yun? Gumagalaw sila.
Ay,
Don't
ano
turn
yan?
your back on them daw, sabi.
Tingnan talaga sila eh. Dito tayo, dito tayo.
Ay, ang ganda nila. It's a key. It's behind you.
Gawin mo po sa layouting.
Alam mo eh. Kuhanin mo yung key.
You got the key.
Si Jordan
Sinarado ko kasi yung ilaw eh.
It's behind.
mga pass sa DSPC. Mama mo.
Wait, what's
Wala naman eh. Wala naman.
I have the hallway
Pag
key.
ako,
Bro, these dolls are
Ito.
hindi. Ang ganda ng mga doll. Akit tayo.
Uy, usog ka. Ang path natin, hindi tayo makataas. Dito tayo, hindi ka dito. Wow.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Please, woman, don't move. Please, girlie, I love you. Please, don't move. Oh,
Wow, sarap ng
please.
pagkain. We
Oh
won't
my
see
goodness.
you. We don't.
Ano to? May pagkain dito, oh.
Wow, sarap. Ba't hindi nasusunod yung bahay? Alis ka dyan.
Parang adobo.
Akin yan.
Natin ang mga bote.
Aray, aray, aray. Open mo lahat.
So,
Wala?
can't get any of this
Saan
one.
pala? Oo, naka-ano siya.
I can't get those. You only have $20,000.
Ay, wag mo
Let's
naman
go.
ako iwan. Hi.
Hi.
Very
Wow,
mabait
ang
yan.
ang
Ito,
ganda ni
ito
girly.
ata.
Wait lang, dito.
Ito ata.
Ayun, dito.
Dito
Ayun,
ata.
dito.